ADG
Yeah.
Malaya,
Sec.
tanong natin bakit walang detalye yung, yung statement ng Department of Foreign Affairs other than calling it a provisional agreement.
Well, it was part of the discussion na it will not be disclosed to the public. No, it was part of the discussion between the PRC delegation and the Philippine delegation na wag na munang ilabas itong mga kasunduang ito and give it a chance to work first. No,
Okay.
and later pag nakita natin yung sincerity of both sides, and then we will be able to release those details. Pero it was intentional on the part of both parties.
Pero sir, naglabas ng detaling China that we're contesting. So ano talaga from our end? I suppose we can talk about it now kasi may panig na in China. I think we have to give our side now.
Lalo na, Yusek, parang ang dating, parang it's the same framework para doon sa secret agreement. No?
Or gentleman's agreement,
Yes.
or a new model.
Ganun yung spin, ganun yung
At
spin ng China.
Kinasibak ni Westcom.
Right.
Ganun yung spin ng China.
Actually masaya nga tayo because this was not a one-shot deal. Itong negotiations with the Philippines with China that began during the bilateral consultation mechanisms, mahaba-haba din yung pinagdaanan noon, no? There was a lot of back and forth between both sides kasi nga hindi magkaintindihan, and finally nagka-breakthrough tayo over the weekend. So we were very optimistic. Naglabas ang statement ang DFA last Sunday that a provisional agreement has been agreed upon regarding the Ayungin Shoal resupply. It came out after a lot of consultations. So ang expectation ng Pilipinas, i-reciprocate yung China yung ganong klaseng optimism and desire for de-escalation kasi to be honest about it, is China rin naman yung nag-insist na mag-meeting, no? Coming from the June 17 Rory mission na nakita ng buong mundo yung ginawa nila dun sa ating mga tropa, it was China that said, sige, umupo na tayo. So, nabigla din kami when we saw the statement coming from Beijing, MOFA, no? Kaya, I immediately talked to DFA. Sabi ko, sagutin nyo yung sinasabi ng China kasi hindi naman napag-usapan yan. Wala sa kasunduang yang prior notice na yan at wala yung on-site na
Verification.
agreement. Yes.
Sorry to press, ADG
Asek yun,
Malaya.
Yun ang lilinawin ko, Asek. Yung mga detalyeng yon wala sa provisional agreement. It was not even proposed. Tama ba yon?
It was proposed. The Chinese side was insisting on it, no? But of course, we did not agree. Kasi tayo, when we came...
Malinaw ba, Asek, na we did not agree? Kasi kung pinag-uusapan yan, hindi kaya lost in translation yon? Baka naman gumanong-ganon lang kayo, akala nila okay na.
No.
No, I'm not kidding. Kasi mahirap yun ganyan eh. Bakit ganun medyo malaking hindi pagkakaintindihan yon, Asek? Paano nangyari lumabas?
Well, number one, there was an exchange of notes. Okay, so hindi pwedeng sabihin ng China na ganon. There was an exchange of notes between both parties. So this was also mentioned by the DFA na kung sakasakaling we are pushed to the wall, pwede nating ilabas to. But right now, we are committing, because we committed to not to disclose to the public the details, hindi mo na natin ilalabas. But I would like to assure the public kasi nga merong mga spekulasyon na hindi daw nagkasundo. Nagkasundo po. It was a long discussion. It was a long discussion between both parties at nagkasundo to some sort of arrangement para hindi na ma-obstruct yung ating resupply sa Ayungin Shoal.
Okay, could it be, ADG Malaya, that what China has phrased as a magpapaalam or will notify them kung may resupply mission, could it be na yung akala na China na ganon, if we go back to the press conference of Executive Secretary Bersamin, na ang ginamit na word is, we will announce. Technically, it's not magpapaalam, but we will announce when we will do our resupply mission.
Patrick, gusto na kitang sagutin, pero I cannot disclose because it was part of the agreement and I do not have the authority to disclose what was agreed upon. Ito na lang, no? Because we were also trying to find out why is China saying this, no? Na hindi naman yun ang napag-usapan. And our conclusion is that they do not want to lose face to their public, no? Remember, the domestic audience in China is important to them. So, they're spinning this with full knowledge of what actually happened in the negotiations, so that in front of the public, they can say na ito yung in-insist namin ito, no? And then very vague lang yung references to the things that were actually agreed upon. So, it's not good that these things are happening, because very clear yung need for sincerity in these negotiations, and the fact na nagkasundo nga. What's
Okay.
critical, of course, is the implementation. We are cautiously optimistic.
Yung nga
Okay.
tanong ko,
The proof
Yusek,
of the pudding will
Okay.
be in the eating. Let's
Ganito
give
na lang.
the agreement a opportunity to be implemented on the ground
Okay.
pag nagro-remission.